Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry about the weird angle on the video here, but I've got this. Check out this. It's a multifunctional foldable level. So I've been seeing these things around, so I figured I had to get my own. This one here is by Triverge. So we're going to give this thing a try. It's got a super compact size and foldable and everything. I mean, how cool is this going to be? So this will be nice. Instead of carrying around a huge level, we should be able to carry this around and unfold it. So let's give this thing a try, see what it looks like. It's nice. It's made out of, I guess, aluminum here. And it's got so many of these little folding contact points there, so you can see how it unfolds, that it's going to be super solid. So there, that's how you do it there. Let's unfold it here. Look at that. It's got different levels. It's got a level there. It's got this level here. It's got the angle one here, the 45-degree one, and another flat one here. So we should be able to see if anything's level this way. So let's see if I hold it straight. Yeah, both are actually level. Hey, let's check and see if this TV is level. Oh, I can do that. Let's see. Pretty good. That one's level. I guess it was put on professionally by an expert. So there we go. So that's what the level looks like. Very cool. And so it's super nice. So now you get a good, nice, I don't know what it is, 16, 18 inches or so. I don't know if it even says, but that's what it is as far as the length. And it folds up pretty easy, so you can fit it in a nice little bag. It'd be cool if it came with a little bag for it or something, but pretty nice. See here, it's got the name on it, the Triverge. What else does it have on it here? What does the little buttons do? I guess this little part pulls out for some reason. I don't know why you'd need to. But I guess if you did need to, you can squeeze that and take it out. Those are just the ends, so you could probably use it to tie onto something. You could tie it onto a string if you needed a string level. Pretty cool. So got a few different uses for it. Let's see what else, if there's anything it says that I need to know. It just says multifunctional. Yeah, it's showing, just doing it there. What's cool, yeah, you can also check like the level of a corner. So if you have a corner wall, you could actually put it on the floor to make sure everything's level there, or any angle of that. So very cool. So this is really cool. So definitely super neat little device here. This is going in my tool bag to stay. So this is going to be a permanent fixture with me. I've never had a foldable one before, so this is cool. I've always had to carry a long one, and it's always been a pain because it's always been separate. But now this will go in my tool bag. So very cool. So this is the Triverge one here. So pick one of these up, definitely, for sure. So thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description to pick one of these up for yourself. Thanks. Bye.